funny. It's funny, you know, the way you tell the story and everything.
Funny how? I mean, what's funny about it?
Tommy, no, you got it all wrong.
Oh, Anthony. He's a big boy. He knows what he said. What'd you say?
You're right.
Funny how? What?
Just, you know, you're funny.
You mean,
So?
let me understand this, because you know, maybe it's me, I'm a little up, maybe. Well, I'm funny how? I mean, funny like I'm a clown, I amuse you? I make you laugh? I'm here to fucking amuse you? What do you mean funny? Funny how? How am I funny?
No, just, you know how you tell the story. What?
No, I don't know. You said it. How do I know? You said I'm funny. How the fuck am I funny? What the fuck is so funny about me? Tell me. Tell me what's funny.
Get the fuck out of here, Tommy.
I almost had it.
Yep, we're dealing with a real one today. So this high rise, the story with it is the owner lives in New York. His brother lives upstairs on the 18th floor. And you know, since the COVID, well, they were supposed to move down to this apartment, but due to everything happening in New York, that's where he is right now. They're deciding not to move. So the next bet is to rent it out. So what we're doing now is getting the carpets ready so they could, you know, rent it out. For what I see, really, I mean, they should have did this last, because I see a lot more work needs to be done. But you know, we're gonna work with them, help them out, you know, make sure things are right. Oh, look, look at that. My grandfather always said, you don't put another man's hat on, you don't know where it's been. Those are the rules, man. Old timers are never wrong, man. So I'm gonna lay that down. What we're gonna use, this is called a rotovac. We're gonna hook that up. This room is not too bad. That's the Hydro Force. You know, this room here, easy peasy, man. You know, most of the jobs that we do, the people take care of their apartments, but you have some that definitely need a little TLC. So that's where we come in, and we show up, we shut things down. Everybody leave, because we gotta really work, baby. Look for that video. I basically did like a little review on the chemicals that we use. What you're seeing, those discolorations, those are lighter than the carpet, so of course, those are not gonna go away. This carpet right here, really, for this particular type of apartment, you know, I would get it clean, but eventually we'd have to replace this because these discolorations, you know, somebody could give a fit, especially if you're charging $7,000 a month. You know, $3,000 to $7,000 a month. You don't want carpets that have bleach stains. That's the next problem. Publix down there. You should know where I'm at. I'm downtown Orlando, man. Right in the belly. Flows up. Alright, today's the first day using this bad boy. We're about to see how it works. Prospector PE 500 heat. Let's see what happens. It's the waste tank, vacuum, pressure line connection, dump out, vacuum, and heat. Alright, let's go on the road.
Ooh.